In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download fonts from Behance. If you've ever stumbled across a beautiful typeface in a project and wondered how to get it onto your computer, this walkthrough will make the process simple and stress-free. First, open your web browser and head to Behance. Behance is a showcase platform where designers publish their work, and many share free resources, including fonts right inside their project pages. You don't need anything fancy to start, just a browser and an internet connection. If you have an account, being signed in can occasionally help with access, but it isn't always required. Once you're on the home page, use the search bar at the top and type free fonts. Then press enter. You'll see a grid of results. You can stay on the Projects tab to view full case studies where creators often include download links. For better results, consider sorting by most recent if you want the latest releases, or browse most appreciated to see popular, well-regarded options. As you scroll, look for titles or descriptions that clearly mention free download, and take a moment to scan previews to make sure the style matches what you need. When you find a project you like, click it to open the full page. You'll usually see images showcasing the typeface, usage examples, language support, and sometimes weights included. Take a quick look at the project description. Creators often include notes about licensing there, such as whether the font is free for personal use or also allowed for commercial projects. On the right-hand side of the project page, look for a download option. This can appear as a button labeled Download or Free Download, or as a link provided by the creator. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the page. Some designers place the link within the project text or near the end of the showcase. On mobile, you may need to expand the info panel to reveal links. Click the file link to proceed. This may either begin the download instantly or open a cloud storage page like Dropbox or Google Drive where the font file is hosted. It's common for fonts to be packaged as a zip file containing TTF or OTF files, a specimen, and a license text. Finally, click the free download button to confirm. Your browser will save the file to your default downloads folder. After the download completes, you can unzip the folder and keep the license handy, so you know where and how you're allowed to use the font. And that's it. Quick, clean, and creative.